Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how the Toyota Land Cruiser is made. The journey begins with massive sheets of steel, which are precisely pressed into various body panels. Giant presses apply up to 1,600 tons of force to shape these parts. Over 12 different types of steel are strategically used, ensuring strength where needed most, like the passenger cabin. Then, robots meticulously perform more than 500 welds, fusing these components into the Land Cruiser's incredibly strong frame. After the frame is complete, the body moves to the paint shop. First, it receives a meticulous wash to eliminate any dust or oil which could compromise the finish. Next, the body is submerged in a rust-resistant paint bath, where electrodeposition uses electricity to bond the paint to the metal. An airless coating method, utilizing static electricity, ensures superior paint adhesion and reduces waste. Finally, the vehicle enters an oven, baking at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes to harden the paint for lasting durability. Now, the Land Cruiser truly comes to life on the assembly line. Essential components like the engine, braking system, and axles are carefully installed onto the robust chassis. This critical stage culminates in what Toyota calls the wedding, where the body is precisely joined to the frame. Following this, skilled technicians meticulously install the interior, including the intricate electrical wiring, comfortable seats, and the dashboard. Interestingly, the doors are often assembled on a separate line and reattached later for easier interior access. Before any Land Cruiser leaves the factory, it undergoes an incredibly rigorous quality control process. Each vehicle is subjected to a comprehensive 1,000-point inspection, covering every system from brakes to electronics. Inspectors use handheld scanners and special lights to meticulously check for any scratches, dents, or misalignments. Dynamic tests simulate real-world and challenging off-road driving scenarios to confirm reliability. Finally, every Land Cruiser is put through a real-world road test, assessing its acceleration, braking, and overall handling before it's ready for delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.